Hey guys, is your hair falling out? Is it thinning, breaking, or shedding? Do you have split ends, alopecia, or maybe you've lost your hair and it just isn't growing or refuses to grow? So, let's make an amazing DIY treatment that will be a game changer to help you get your hair back. To make this powerful hair treatment, let me get my grinder. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of Star Anise. Add it into the grinder. Star Anise promotes hair growth by supporting scalp health and stimulating blood flow around the hair follicles. While it cannot alter your genetic rate of hair growth, its active natural compounds can help create an environment for your hair to grow at its healthiest. Beyond that, Star Anise is packed with a compound called anethole. This compound has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that can help support a clean and healthy scalp environment. It can also help with scalp buildup and oxidative stress, which are important things to consider when you're trying to maintain healthy looking hair. For the cinnamon, we're using 2 thick cinnamon sticks. Break them into smaller pieces and add them into the grinder. When you use cinnamon sticks to make a topical DIY hair rinse, water, or oil, you can take advantage of several naturally occurring compounds found in cinnamon. The secret here is an active compound called cinnamaldehyde. This compound gives cinnamon its characteristic aroma and has been studied for its antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon also contains naturally occurring antioxidants, which can help support the overall condition of the scalp and hair. I'm adding some cloves into the grinder with the star anise and cinnamon. Using cloves can support a healthy scalp environment, especially because cloves contain naturally occurring antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds. While there are limited clinical studies specifically proving that cloves directly regrow hair, their nutrient-rich profile makes them an interesting ingredient for a botanical hair treatment. Cloves are especially rich in eugenol, a naturally occurring compound known for its antimicrobial properties. If you're struggling with a sensitive, itchy, or dandruff-prone scalp, maintaining a clean and healthy scalp environment is an important part of your hair care routine. We're going to turn all of these ingredients into a fine powder. Grinding the star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cloves creates a powerful herbal blend by breaking down the whole spices and exposing more of their natural compound. Grinding these ingredients also helps release their aromatic oils and other naturally occurring compounds when they're infused into water or oil. Guys, look at this! This is exactly how they look once I'm done grinding them. They have turned into a beautiful superfine aromatic powder. I'm transferring all of this powerful powder into a completely clean jar. I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger powder right on top of our spice mix. Ginger contains a highly active natural compound called gingerol, which is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. When your scalp is stressed, dry, irritated, flaky, or dealing with dandruff, Taking care of the scalp environment becomes very important. Ginger has traditionally been used in scalp preparations because of its warming and stimulating properties. The ginger oil naturally found in ginger has been studied for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity, making ginger an interesting addition to a botanical scalp treatment. Ginger also contains naturally occurring nutrients and compounds that can contribute to a nourishing hair care formulation. Right here, we're adding 2 spoons of Nescafé. Coffee is a very interesting ingredient for hair care because of its caffeine content. Caffeine has received a lot of attention in hair care research because of its potential effect on hair follicles when used topically. Some laboratory research has investigated caffeine and its relationship with the hair growth cycle. Caffeine has also been studied in connection with dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, which is an androgen involved in certain types of hair loss. However, a homemade coffee preparation is not the same thing as a clinically tested hair loss treatment. So, we're not going to say that coffee can completely block DHT, reverse genetic hair loss, or guarantee hair regrowth. We are simply incorporating coffee into our botanical infusion because caffeine is an interesting, naturally occurring compound that has been studied in relation to hair follicles. It's time to building our liquid carrier base. As you can see right here on my measuring cup, I am adding around 150 ml of pure coconut oil straight into our jar. Using this specific amount is the sweet spot because it ensures the ratio between our powerful botanical powder and the oil is perfectly balanced for a rich infusion. Coconut oil is a mandatory element for this treatment because of its unique molecular structure. Unlike many other heavy oils that mainly coat the surface of the hair, coconut oil is uniquely rich in lauric acid. This gives coconut oil a low molecular weight that allows it to interact with the hair shaft and penetrate into the hair fiber. By interacting with the inner layers of the hair, coconut oil can help reduce protein loss and help protect the hair from damage, splitting, and breakage during styling or brushing. Coconut oil also acts as a carrier oil. It gives our star anise, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and coffee an oil base where their oil-soluble compounds can infuse. After pouring that in, I'm giving it a really good stir to combine the coconut oil with all of our dry herbal powders. We want to fully saturate every single grain of our spice mix so that the ingredients can infuse into the oil. Once that first mixture is nice and smooth, we're bringing in our second liquid carrier. I'm adding exactly 100 ml of high-quality virgin olive oil straight into the jar, and we're mixing everything together once again. For this part, we're going to use the double boiling method. First, I take a pan and a small towel. I'm placing the towel inside the pan and the glass jar is going to sit right inside it. I am adding around 700 ml of water into the pan. I'm turning on the stove and placing the pan on it. We're keeping the heat on low. This is a good method because it helps protect both our product and the glass jar from direct heat. When you heat glass directly on hot metal, concentrated heat can create thermal shock, which can cause the glass to crack or break. The towel acts as a soft cushion and a thermal barrier, helping reduce direct contact between the glass and the hot metal surface. Another benefit of using a double boiler method is gentle heating. High direct heat can damage delicate aromatic compounds and naturally occurring oils and antioxidants in ingredients such as star anise, cloves, cinnamon, and ginger. By using gentle heat, we can warm the oil without exposing it to direct aggressive heat. Make sure you keep this strictly on low heat. We're going to let our jar sit in this double boiler setup for exactly 10 to 15 minutes. It has to stay on low heat because high or direct heat can overheat the oil and affect the delicate compounds in our botanical ingredient. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'm turning off the heat and carefully bringing the jar down. Once it has cooled completely, I'm running my spoon through it. As you can see, all the powder rises up on the spoon from the very first pass. This is exactly how it looks after I take down and let it sit for a little while so the ingredients can continue infusing into the oil. Letting this infusion cool and rest allows the botanical ingredient to remain in contact with the oils for longer. Now, I'm using a cheesecloth so I can separate the powder particles from our oil. I'm carefully pouring the mixture through the cheesecloth. Once the oil is strained, we're ready to add our finishing oils. First, I'm adding tea tree oil. Right after that, I'm adding vitamin E oil. I'm adding jojoba oil to help condition the strands and keep the hair feeling soft and manageable. I'm also adding exactly 25 ml of castor oil. Castor oil is a thick, rich oil commonly used in hair care routines to provide lubrication and conditioning. Now guys, let's mix everything thoroughly until all the oils are completely blended together. Here is my dropper bottle where I'm going to put my hair oil along with a funnel that's going to help me transfer the oil much easier. I'm carefully transferring the finished oil into the dropper bottle. This right here is our finished infused hair oil. It is designed to condition the hair, support the scalp, add softness and shine, and help reduce dryness and breakage. Here is the rest of the oil I'm going to use to make the pomade and butter. Let me place my pan on the stove. I'm adding 2 spoons of shea butter into it. Along with 4 ml of BTMS 50. BTMS 50 is an excellent conditioning ingredient commonly used in hair care formulations. It helps soften the hair, improve manageability, make detangling easier, and give the finished product a smoother conditioning feel. I am adding 2 ml of cetyl alcohol and I'm mixing everything together. Once everything is completely melted, I am adding our base hair oil. I'm pouring it right into the melted mixture and continuing to mix until everything becomes one uniform liquid. Now that it's completely melted, I'm taking it off the stove. I don't want to let it cool down completely right here because I don't want it to become hard too quickly. Let me grab my small jar. Here is the jar with the product of our pomade. And here is the rest, which I'm putting into the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes just to make the butter base firmer. Here is it after taking it out of the freezer. The mixture has become firmer and I'm getting my hand mixer to whip it until it reaches the exact consistency I am looking for. Let's keep mixing it, guys. While I'm mixing, I'm adding some rosehip seed oil and then some peppermint oil and continuing to mix everything together. Look at this. This is how it looks after mixing. This potent hair butter is fabulous and creamy. This hair butter is made for people who dislike greasy hair. It provides rich conditioning that helps dry strands feel softer, smoother, and more manageable. It can also help reduce the friction and dryness that contributes to physical hair breakage. And look at that beautiful texture. Our hair butter is finished. And this right here is my hair pomade, guys. This pomade is designed to give you a clean, long-lasting hold while helping nourish and condition your hair. It is perfect for laying down your edges, smoothing out stubborn frizz, and helping lock in moisture for protective styles like braids or twists. Because it contains our infused spice oil, it gives the pomade a nourishing base while helping create a smooth, polished finish over the hair. Guys, look at this! Here is a 3-in-1 hair product system that I made with just one powerful oil base. We have the infused hair oil, the whipped hair butter, and the hair pomade. These 3 products can become different parts of your hair care routine. Together, they provide conditioning, styling, and moisture support while helping you care for your scalp and protect your hair strands from drying and breakage. You have everything you need right here to build a complete hair care routine around this one infused oil base. Your hair should have moisture before applying this potent oil. Oil does not add water to the hair. Instead, it can help lubricate the strands and reduce moisture loss. So, if your hair is completely dry, apply water or a water-based moisturizer first. Now I'm done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get notified every time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.